Hi there, so I'm making a quick video of the Cuisinart Prep 7 food processor. This was a wedding gift that I think I barely used, maybe once. It's got the DVD in here, the paperwork, the two blades, never used them. They came in this plastic bag. I just took them out to show. This piece never used, this one never used. If I did use it, I think it was this one, but again, it doesn't show. Here's the booklet and the cup insert thing, and that, and I'll go ahead and put one in here. So, take that out. Let's see, I'm not 100% sure. Oh, okay, there it is. And that's on. So there it is, for sale on eBay. And only thing I don't have is the original box, so I'll make sure to box it well, and so that it arrives safe. I just want to show the bottom as well. So there it is. And if there's a serial number, I'll go ahead and put it on the listing as well. But it's pretty much in new condition. I don't have the original box though.